quick tutorial to show you how to use ChatGPT or any other AI app to enable you to write notes faster and in a more formatted way. So what you're going to do is open up your ChatGPT app. So now that I have the app open, I'm going to go ahead and click on the microphone so she knows that I'm speaking. Provide me with a detailed note for my CRM that summarizes the following conversations with a buyer. I spoke to Courtney. She just moved here from Arkansas. She is looking to purchase a home for $5 million on the ocean. She has 2 pets, and she was in the middle of playing pickleball and asked that I call her back tomorrow. I told her I would give her MLS access, that I would email her, and then I set a reminder to call her back tomorrow at the same time. You press the microphone button again. You go ahead and hit the arrow, which submits it. And then ChatGPT gives you a nice organized list of what your note should look like. And it's that easy.